So it is official. We have finally moved out to the ranch after 3 years of working on our property from raw land to true off-grid living. We first bought the property 3 years ago, and then we immediately started camping out on it and clearing land. This property has no infrastructure, so no utilities, no water, no electricity, no sewage, and everything had to be created from scratch. One of the first things we did after about 2 years of camping out on the land was to add a large shed, and we really were able to utilize the property a lot better after that for family vacations and holidays. We started making improvements over the years in infrastructure and the land, as well as adding basic solar, basic water, and then just building out the necessities inside the cabin. Now, you have to remember we're only coming out here 6 times a year on holidays and vacations, and so we were doing this on our off time only 6 times a year. Then we added a carport in to protect our cars from hail. We also added this landing in on the loft space so that we could utilize it for sleeping on both sides and storage. And then we started making improvements with fencing around the main building so our dogs can be housed safely. And then we added more improvements inside of the kitchen, including lower and upper cabinets and a sink. We also eventually added in a proper oven and stove that works off of propane, water catchment, heated water using propane as well, and a refrigerator. We have also since added a bathhouse, which will have our toilet, shower, sink, and all the other things that we need and house all of our batteries. So you're all up to date. Thank you for joining me.